Understanding the product manager role.
Product managers guide the development and success of products, acting as a bridge between customers, business teams, and developers. They define product vision, set goals, and prioritize features based on user needs and market trends. While product managers work closely with tech teams, many focus on research, communication, and strategy instead of hands-on coding.
Key responsibilities of a non-technical product manager.
Non-technical product managers focus on understanding customer pain points, gathering feedback, defining product requirements, and working with cross-functional teams. Their daily tasks include creating product roadmaps, prioritizing feature requests, coordinating with design, sales, and marketing, and ensuring products meet business goals. Clear communication and decision-making are vital in this role.
Essential skills for success.
A successful product manager combines critical thinking, strong communication, organization, and empathy. They listen to users, analyze data, create compelling presentations, and guide teams without direct authority. While technical skills can help, tools like spreadsheets, flowcharts, and customer feedback platforms are often more important for non-technical product managers.
How to become a product manager without coding.
Start by learning about product management through online courses, books, or workshops. Seek roles such as business analyst, project manager, or customer support specialist to gain experience working with products and cross-functional teams. Building skills in communication, user research, and problem-solving can help you transition into a product management role without needing to code.
Building your career path.
Network with other product managers through industry events and online communities. Consider earning a certification or taking specialized training in product management. Update your resume to highlight experience in research, collaboration, and leadership, not just technical skills. Many successful product managers come from backgrounds like marketing, operations, or user experience design.